AI image not generating. Fix Midjourney DALL and AI image errors 2026. Are your AI images stuck, failing to generate, or showing errors? In this video, I'll show you the exact fixes that work for Midjourney, DALL, and other AI image tools. Before we start, please subscribe to our channel for more AI tips, AI fixes, and smart tech solutions. Step 1. Check AI server status. Most image AI tools stop working during peak hours. Check official status pages or Discord announcements. If servers are down, wait. Don't retry repeatedly. Step 2. Fix prompt errors. Very important. Common mistakes: too long prompts, copyrighted names, restricted words. Solution: shorten your prompt, remove celebrity names, avoid sensitive content. 3. Account limit credits issue. Free plans have daily limits. Paid users may hit temporary caps. Fix: check remaining credits. Log out, log in again. Step 4. Clear cache and religion. Browser cache breaks AI tools. Clear cache and cookies. Restart browser. Log in again. Step 5. Disable VPN extensions. VPNs cause image AI blocks. Ad blockers interfere. Turn off VPN. Disable extensions. Try incognito mode. Step 6. Switch platform or device. Midjourney Discord. Try web version. Try mobile if desktop fails. Bonus pro tip: best time to generate images: early morning or late night EU time. Less traffic equals faster generation. If this video helped you, give it a like. Subscribe to Alan Tech Gurus for daily AI and tech fixes. Comment below and tell me what error you're seeing. I reply to comments.